Alright guys, we're at Cultus Lake Adventure Park and we're going to get a bite to eat. I just wanted to show you what they have here. So there you go. There's the menu. What do you think you're going to have, Mom?
Oh, I'm just looking.
I'm going to get a Coca-Cola. They have cotton candy, popcorn bag. Fries. Hog roll. What the heck is hog roll? Chicken strips and fries.
I think that was a hot dog. A hot dog.
Are you hungry or?
No, yeah.
Alright, what
I was either going to have the pizza pretzel or
do you want to split the chicken strips and
chicken
fries?
strips and fries. That would be nice to split.
Alright, so that's what we'll do. We'll split the chicken strips and fries. Cool?
Yeah.
Alright, let's move forward. Okay, we got our food. There it is. Chicken strips and fries. And a Coca-Cola. And iced tea and water. Looking good. We'll tell you how it tastes. Quick tip, guys. Once you get your food, come all the way up on the boardwalk. There's some great tables in the shade and hardly anybody up here. So that's a good tip. We'll tell you how the food is after we eat it. So we had it. And your verdict, Mom?
It was delicious.
Delicious?
Really good. Good chicken, good fries.
What type of sauce was that?
Sweet and sour sauce.
Sweet and sour sauce.
Very tasty.
Would you order it again?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I agree. It was good. It was especially something, one dish, a whole family could actually use it because look, we didn't even finish the fries and everything.
And the fries are fresh cut fries.
Yeah, really
so
good
they're
fries.
Really, really yummy.
So yeah, think about doing that when you come here. You can actually just order the chips and the chicken strips and fries, and you can actually split it with your family. So it makes it for a good price. So there you go.
And the drinks are really nice and cold.
Yep.
So, and their prices are about resort prices. The fries, this was about $11.50, I think.
Yeah.
And then our drinks were $4 each. The water was $3. So resort prices, but really, really worthwhile.
And keep the water up, especially on a hot day.
Yeah, important.
Anyway, thumbs up from here.
Thumbs up.
All right, stay tuned. We're going on some more rides. It's gonna be fun. Oh, I thought I saw a bird go by.